upload parameters for memory backup on a Fanuc 18TB control. First thing you have to do is have a laptop or a computer with some editing software for downloading and uploading software to the control. This one happens to be Predator CNC editor. There's many other ones, CADM, DNC systems, and so forth. Free stuff on the internet. So the first thing you got to do is get your software ready to receive. The little icon, make sure your settings are proper. This one happens to be COM port 5, 4800 baud rate, even 7 2-stop bits. So the Fanuc has to be set up the same way. If you look at the parameter settings, right around the 100 area, bit 0 is set for 1, which equals 2 stop bits, and the baud rate is set at 10, which equals 4800. So that matches what we have on our computer. So in order to save them, you have to be in edit. Usually an edit key has to be in the off protection area. We're going to press the soft key operation, cursor over, right cursor over, we're going to hit the punch and execute. You get an output signal there, and then we see our parameters scrolling down into the software. This normally takes a couple minutes. On this particular machine, there's a head 1 and head 2. So you have to do that for each head. Now it's stopped, and our output signal has gone off. That is basically it. So we can then save it, do whatever, and put it into a file. Here I'm going to show you saving the PMC parameters on a Fanuc 18 TB control. You should be in your edit mode. Make sure the edit key is on. Press your PMC soft key, right arrow over, press your IO soft key, and you'll have your channel set to 1, the device set for FD cassette, the function will be write, data kind will be parameter, and we can use the -1 and execute. Now that's outputting. file was output to the PC. And then accept it. And there we've saved the PMC parameters for this machine. Which means we've saved the timers, counters, the keep relays, your data settings in the PMC area.